So we got another package here. So I was expecting one package today, but there was one pending order from I guess last week, which also got shipped today, and then they combined it in both into the single order, and they have sent it. So we'll keep a short unboxing, and then we'll further drill down to each product separately. So let's start. Okay, so we have a box inside box. This I really like because this is kind of a recyclable material. So it's not plastic, it's maybe bamboo made or something paper based. And then we have two different products here. So, yep. So we have one J13 mic that I ordered because I saw that the mic quality is not that great, and there's another version of it called Grenaro J13 which cost double the price of this and provides 1 year warranty. But I thought it's all same Chinese models and they just get a branding and then they charge a higher amount for that. So we'll test it. The bag, the box and everything is looks same, so should be fine. And then we have this Sony WFC 500. So I was getting it for a very good price. It costed me around 1.8k, and I wanted to check because I never had a TWS from Sony. I had all the other brands and thought like let's give it a try. I don't want to spend so much money on the XM4 or XM5s being too costly, and then their prices usually come down to around 9 and 10 later point of time. So yeah, we'll keep this short and we'll jump on to these in the next video. Okay. For now, thank you. Have a great day. Hello everyone. So here's the unboxing of J13 wireless mic, and let's see what all things it has. It has the packing of what normally Chinese microphones have. So it says wireless microphone, then for Type C and for iPhone, and it's mentioned about the configuration. We have two receivers and sorry, two transmitter and one receiver, and it is compatible with both Type C and iPhone. So it's plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception. We don't need more than that. Precise radio, clear timbre, high sensitive and widely compatible. So we'll do all the other uh, review videos with this mic only. So let's unbox and see what all things get inside. So we get this case. Yeah, there's no branding. We have a small gap here to open the lid. We have two transmitters, one receiver, which is basically a Type C, and we got a little Chotu adapter here which can help us to plug this into the iPhone if you're using iPhone, but for me I'm fine with Type C. So we have a Type C charging port and there's an LED indicator. In paperwork, I think it's not required. Then I guess this would just contain the USB cables. Yep, we have only one. USB type A to type C. Let's open it up. So there are two ports and one for the receiver. This is how the transmitter looks like. Here's the mic. It says it's omnidirectional, and then there's a small LED here. These are the charging pins, which is basically hidden due to the plastic. There are three pins here, and then on the right hand side we have the button. This is basically to turn it on and then change to mode, and then this is the clip, which basically you can use it to clip on your t-shirt and other places. Yeah, so this is the form factor and the type C. Same with this, the other one, and this is basically the type C. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. We'll record the other videos using this mic and let you know how they. Thanks everyone. Bye.